Okay, I'm going to show you how to put together your flame fire pit. Just empty out all the parts. So you should have 2 end panels, 2 side panels, an ashtray, a base plate with an air controller, and in your cooker bars there should be 2 riser bars like that and 3 straight bars, and importantly a couple of little locking tabs. Okay, so the best way to put it together is on its end. We have an end plate on its back, slot in a side plate, and there are 2 little notches there. Make sure it's pushed all the way down. And same on the other side there. Okay, now what you do is you grab your 2 base and air control plates and drop them in the hole there like that. And then our ashtray goes in there like that. And what we do then is connect all the bits together. So drop over the other end base plate, bring up your ashtray so it drops into the slots, drag in your side plates so they drop into the slots. But that's it, it's actually put together now. So you've got to tip it up on its feet, so make sure it doesn't fall apart. As you tip it up, drop in a couple of little end wedges in the slots, like that, and you can give them a tap down. Now that thing is really locked together now. It's not going to fall apart. So then you can put on your cooker bars. If you just want to cook with a billy or something, you can use those. If it gets too hot, you've got your high risers and your low risers. You can have something a bit higher up there or a bit lower by turning them over. And if you want to use the skewers, you simply drop these in that way, and then your skewers will sit in the slots and they won't rotate. Even if your meat's a bit out of balance or whatever, they'll just sit in the slots and cook nicely. So that's how you assemble your flame fire pit. Thank you.